Park. What do roofers do when it's 5 below zero? We come out, we go sledding, and we are going to cut Christmas trees. What a great group activity. We're just having a blast out here today. Yeah, it is really cold, but we are having so much fun.
Going. Oh no!
Hey guys, we are here with the Colorado Springs contingent of Excel Roofing. Tyler, thanks so much for coming up and bringing everybody. We really appreciate it. Once again, thanks Colorado Springs for showing up. Woo! We have Brock. He's a sales manager. I like to call him a team leader, life coach. This dude is the best person ever. And I'll tell you who's like the luckiest person ever. That is Holly, his wife, to have him.
I think I'm lucky for her.
That was a good answer. We've got the three beautiful girls and Eco here. Yep, we're going to go sledding and have a great time.
Let's go. Gonna have a great day.
Let's go get a hot chocolate.
Here's